And I remember like that feeling being wheeled in to meet your daughter. It's not the normal way of...
Surreal.
It's very weird because it's not the normal way of meeting your daughter, right? Supposed you give birth, they give them to you. Kulħadd jgħidlek Luġiħu kollox.
Jinsa kollox.
Tinsa kollox dak il-ħin meta jtuwilek. I hadn't experienced that yet, għax kont għadni laqqas rajta li fuq ritratti, ma kontx zammejta mis-sejta xej, laqqas majta tibki, nothing. Ġifiri, she was just someone I was seeing on a screen. U ħaduni insomma l-MPICU, għalunna li neħew l-intubation, diġa, and they were all very, very, very shocked. Her lungs they were perfect. And they thought that she'd be intubated for much longer. They couldn't believe it.
Kif ħassejtek dak
Ma nafxu. Miraklu kbir. I mean, dit tifla, she is such a miracle. And when you put all that into perspective, u tinduna li she can just live with a prosthetic leg, no problem. I mean, mux ovvja li tifraħ xorta.